Hey, what's up guys, it's George. I'm sorry about the voice and the whole mood here and everything, but I'm a little bit sick right now, so sorry about that. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you some comparison between Adobe Express, the animate your voice for free here tool feature, and our own software ClipsBee. Now first, let's take a look here. What is Adobe Express animate your voice for free? Now this tool allows you to make an animated character from your own voice, recording using Adobe Express, and yeah, just like that. You can upload only audio, select a character, and your automatic animation is ready. This is amazing. Let's take a look at the functions here. Now, you have very basic options here. First, you can select the character. As you can see here, you can choose from a lot of different characters. And the second step is to select a background, a lot of different backgrounds also, and you can change also the size. That is perfect for Instagram and other social media, and YouTube, landscape and shorts. Now this is it. This is everything that this tool provides. Now let's take a look what are the limitations of this software. 2 minutes of audio and 1 gigabyte of upload of MP3, for example. And that's it. 1 audio file for 1 animation, which is great if you want to create something short and quick. But what if you want to create a dialogue or conversation between 2 characters, like there on the podcast, for example? What you need to do then? Well, I will show you what you need to do. Well, the first step is you have to create the script in ChatGPT, for example, for the topic you want. Then, because it's a conversation and it's a dialogue, you need to split the script into character A and a character B. This is manual work for now. I will show you what I mean. Now if you go to ChatGPT and you write something like, create me a conversation between 2 characters about the topic, how to clean my air conditioner, and let's see what will happen. This is the dialogue, as you can see. Hey Jake, do you know how to clean my air conditioner? Mine is starting to smell a little weird. And turning on Jake, yeah, I've cleaned mine a few times. And this is the basic dialogue. Now, as you can see, this is amazing. You have the dialogue, but now what you need to do to separate the character Mia from Jake? Well, you need to create 2 separate documents. And then each document, you have to plug it in 11 Labs to create the audio for the character. Here, for example, let's imagine you have to create 1 full animation for this character, Mia, here. And then, when you're ready with this animation, you need to create an all for the Jake part. So, separate character. On the other side, for example, you have to manually flip it and you have to render 2 videos. It will look something like this. First, create the script, then split the script to character A, to character B, generate 2 separate audio files, audio A and audio B, and then for each audio file, you need to plug here to the Adobe Express, create animation for the character A, and then separate animation for the character B, and only then you need 2 videos. And if you want to create a dialogue between them, you have to manually split the scenes in CapCut, for example. And you also, if you want subtitles, you can add manual subtitles. As you can see, to create a simple conversation dialogue between 2 characters, like on a podcast, you need to create 5 steps if you want to use Adobe Express. But now, I want to give you a simple solution to this problem. Our software, ClipsBee. You can turn text into an animated video in minutes. Easy animated video creation for faceless YouTube creators. Now, I will show you what I mean that is super quick and easy. Now, first create a new project. My project will be air conditioner. And select multiple presenters. Now from here, you will see the interface of the software. Let's select the characters. Go to this character. For quick, I will select here George. As you can see, there are a lot of different characters. You can also create your own custom character, and you can import your own custom character also If you want to see how to do that, I will leave a link in the description for another video. Now let's continue here. This is character A, and now for character B, I will also select this character here, area. See how fast it is. And now let's choose a background. I will select this background here, and also you can flip the characters. I will also select the same background here. And this is the scene. This is character A and character B. Now, the topic. You don't have to do anything manual here. Just go to idea to script and let's type the same prompt basically. See, I will just take this and I will place it here. How to clean my air conditioner. You can change the duration of the project from here. I will leave it to 1 minute. And you can also change the conversation style from educational, storytelling, debate and instructional. I will also leave it to educational. Now click here if you want to replace the previous text on the project here. And let's generate script. Now you can see the magic here. You don't have to do any manual work. Forget about all of these steps here. You don't have to do any manual work. Everything is done automatically. See the part of George. Hi Arya, I heard you wanted to clean your air conditioner. Do you know where to start? Hey George, I'm not exactly sure. Should I? Okay, this is great. I will show you the animation in a couple of minutes. So, if you want to add subtitles, go to project settings and just click embed subtitles in video. And that's it. Everything is ready automatically. Of course, you can select the part here where you want to add photos if you want. Here, you can insert a photo in this part, or you can enter a prompt and you can generate an AI photo here, but I will not do this for this video. So clear image. Now, when you approve the script and you think everything is ready and you like it, you can also type something if you want. It's super easy, like you're using a Google Doc, but I will leave it like it is. So once everything is ready and you want to render your animation, just click the only button here, start render, and continue. And as you can see, our video is rendering. Now the video here is ready. I will download it and I will show it to you guys.
Hi Arya, I hear you want to clean your air conditioner. Do you know where to start?
Hey George, I'm not exactly sure. Should I just open it up and start cleaning?
Not quite. First, make sure it's turned off and unplugged for safety. Then you'll want to remove the front panel.
Got it. How do I clean the filter?
Gently take out the filter. If it's reusable, wash it with soapy water and let it dry thoroughly before putting it back.
What about the coils inside? They look dusty.
For the coils, use a soft brush or a vacuum with a brush attachment to remove dust. Be careful not to bend the fins.
And the fins, how should I handle those?
The fins can be cleaned using a fin comb. It helps straighten them and improve efficiency.
Interesting. Should I clean the outside too?
Absolutely. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the exterior. It helps keep your unit looking nice and working well.
Thanks, George. I feel ready to clean my AC now.
You're welcome, Arya. Remember to do this regularly for optimal performance.
And that's everything for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. Now Adobe Express is great here if you want some very quick animation for only one character, for example. But you don't have the option to upload your own custom character, and you don't have the option to create a dialogue between two characters. If you want to do that, you can use our software ClipsBee here. Everything is automatic, everything is cleaner, easier. You can upload your custom characters, custom backgrounds. You have the option here to use idea to script. Everything works absolutely amazing. And since we're brand new right now and we're just launching, you can use the software. You can try it out for free. I will leave a link in the description. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.